Yo, so this is the haul that we got. Look at these. Wow. Sorry about the wind. Let's go round to the door, I'll show you this one. Look at this. Oh wow. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm definitely going to be doing some lamps. I can't wait to do a big chandelier. I don't know what, I've got so many ideas. If anyone's got any ideas, guys, let me know. I don't really know how to treat them or bleach them or wax them. I have absolutely sod all knowledge about it. So let me know, and I can't wait to start making some stuff with these. Brilliant. Catch you the next one.